So, warm greeting. This session we are going to continue the industrial design process, that is phase 3 and phase 4. Here, the phase 3 is preliminary refinement. So, the preliminary refinement phase, industrial designers built to model of the most promising concept. So, after creating the conceptualization design, so we have to refine the concepts. So, we have to create soft models are typically made in full scale using foam or foam core board. So, you are creating a soft models, so they are second fastest method, only slightly slower than sketches used to evaluate concepts. So in the earlier stage we are draw a sketch of the product. So here we are creating a soft model, so it will be fastest method to visualize the component. Although generally quite rough, these models are invaluable because they allow the development team to express and visualize the product concepts in 3 dimensional. So we can see how the product will look like after manufacturing a product. So the concepts are evaluated by industrial designers, engineers, marketing personnel, and potential customers. So these peoples are evaluating the concepts. So the concepts that are particularly difficult to visualize require more models than do similar ones. So you can create different models for the same product. So the Razer industrial designer used numerous soft model to access the overall size, proportions and shape of many proposed concepts. So you have to create a more number of soft models for a single product. So particular concern was a feel of the product in the hand and against the face. So these attributes can only be accessed using physical models. A soft model from the Razer project made using rapid prototyping technology. So we are creating a model with the help of a rapid prototyping technology. So this is phase 4, the further refinement and the final concept selection. So after creating a model, that is soft model and sketches, to hard model. So we are creating a hard model and informative intensive drawing known as renderings. So the renderings show the detail of the design and often depict the product in use. Draw in 2 or 3 dimensional. So the rendering is visualization of the product either in 2 dimensional or 3 dimensional by using softwares, CAD softwares. So they convey a great deal of information about the product. So the rendering are often used for color studies and for the testing customer perception to the proposed product features and functionality. So you can check the functionality and features of the product. So this is a rendering of concept. So you can see the rendering of the concepts either 2 dimensional as well as 3 dimensional. So the final refinement step before selecting a concept is to create hard model. So the hard model is still technically non-functional, yet or close replica of the final design. So it be close replica of the final design, but it is not functional. So with a very realistic look and feel. So they are made from wood, dense foam, plastic or metal, or painted and textured, and have some working features such as buttons that push or slider that move. Because the art model can cost thousands of dollars, a product development team usually has the budget to make only a few. For many types of products, hard models are fabricated to have the indent size, density and weight distribution, surface finish and color. So in a hard model you can see these kind of realistic product size, shape and surface finish and color we can see. The odd models can then be used for industrial designer and engineers to further refinement the final concept specification. So this is final further refinement and final concept selection. So the remaining topics we will discuss in the next class.